Alright, check this out. This is a homeowner special DIY project by himself. As you can see, he's cleaning the copper. That's good. Good start. He's going to put the solder in paste or flux. Okay, good. Now he's going to attach the pipe using a coupling that look like half-inch pipe. Good. So far, so great. Okay, put in the protective pad at the back. That's good. So far, everything looks good. Turn on the torch, get the solder ready. Okay, he's heating up the pipe. Good. I mean, the only thing is I would have soldered from the bottom to the top, but so far, so good. Okay, I think it's for a homeowner special. This is good. Not the best solder, but it works.